slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? I Review Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Nike SB Dunks. These are from For You Shoes. So yeah, I'm not too sure on the exact colorway name of these. They're just black and gray, so we'll call them the Shadow Dunks. Quick little look at them. Not going to take long with this video. There's nothing crazy going on, so yeah. For those of you guys showing love to your channel during, you know, the kind of dry season as China's on holidays, appreciate the love, guys. Welcome to all my new viewers, and thanks for rocking me, my old viewers. So anyways, before I get into this video, I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. And with that being said, let's get into it, man. So these took quite a bit to get here, I believe, because of the holidays and COVID and whatnot. So these took about a month to get here, and they did have a hefty 44 or 45, it was like $44.98 dollar custom fees with DHL. So if you want to, you know, stay away from that, it might take a little bit longer, like maybe typically EMS is 2 to 3 weeks, but you don't get any custom fees. Go that route with shipping. Otherwise you can do DHL. It's much faster typically, just with the delays. That's probably why it took so long. DHL usually is within a week after you get your tracking number, or 2 weeks or so. So but you do usually have to pay custom fees depending where you live. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it for that. Let's get right into the video. So this is all the seller information right here. The website is foryoushoes.ru. Instagram is right there. WhatsApp is right there, and then the email. The Instagram, they do have another Instagram. If you want that, you can DM me on Instagram. But this Instagram is also valid as well. So check that out, or not. You know, like I say, I don't condone this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, right? So it's just for educational purposes only. Anyways, here are the shoes themselves. We'll put them to the side. They come in this purple Nike SB box. Nothing crazy going on, just says Nike SB with purple around it. That's the size tag. So Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, black, medium gray, black, white, size 12. These are for a friend of mine. They are not for myself. And then you just got some Nike branding on the bottom, Nike SB on this side. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Inside the box, regular old brown box. All I got with these shoes is this paper. Came with a pair of like free socks too. I was giving to my girlfriend, so I don't really bother showing them in videos, but lots of sellers do that. Just some free socks or whatever. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the box itself. And here are the shoes themselves. So you can take a look. Pretty dope, clean looking dunk, honestly. So got the gray outsole there with some black touch on the bottom. Rest of the shoe is basically all black. So a couple different materials here. You got some leather here. All this is suede, and then more leather going all the way to the back. Everything seems to be in good condition, good quality stitching, so that's not a complaint. So yeah, this is all. Let's see if the color changes. It's more like nubuck than suede, but similar nonetheless. The swoosh, same thing. It's that same material, but in gray. Yeah, it's pretty simple. I mean, you got black nubuck going all around here. There is a gray toe box. Leather feels real good on these actually, so like that. They don't have no funky smell to them or whatever either. On this side, same thing. Again, nothing crazy going on this shoe. So yeah, back of the shoe, got Nike stitched in there. You can see stitching's nice and you know, consistent or consist. Oh man, I don't even know what word I'm trying to use. Anyways, I had a massive brain fart. Consistent, that's the word. So stitching's nice and consistent throughout the whole shoe. No real gripes about that. So yeah, that made me feel super stupid, just not knowing the word consistent, but it happens to the best of us. Sometimes we just can't think of the word we're trying to use, so, or we misspell something that shouldn't be misspelled. So tongue here, you got some gray lining all the way on the outside, and then the tag itself, Dunk Low Pro, Nike SB. On the back of this, you got some Nike branding. Inside you can see a clear shot of that size tag right there. yeah. You do have an extra set of laces, it looks like, on these, which would be a black set, that little Nike SB bag. And then the toe box, or not the toe box, sorry, the insole itself, Nike SB in gray and Zoom Air on a black insole. Let's see if this can come out. See the Zoom Air. There we go. There's a little Zoom Air packet right there. So yeah, not much else to say about the shoe, honestly. Packed with paper, gray rope laces on the shoe itself already. And so yeah, that's the right shoe. This is the left. Just so you can see, there is no quality inconsistencies on either pair, or on either shoe rather, of the pair. Back of the shoe, side, same thing going on throughout the whole shoe, man. Tongue, Nike SB, Zoom Air on the inside. Nothing funky going on. This side, so you can see no real glue staining anywhere either, or at least if it's there, it's not bad. Especially, you know, the flash on the camera obviously makes it more visible too. So bottom of the shoe, nice gray outsole with that Nike SB in black. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm not gonna elaborate on this video too much. I don't even know if this will be a popular video, just because it's just a standard dunk. So for those of you guys that do like dunks though, maybe you are a fan of this. Personally, I think, like, if I don't wear dunks all that often, but when I do, I like wearing like cleaner dunks. And this is definitely one of those pairs where it doesn't stand out a whole lot and it's just kind of a clean shoe to wear. So if you're looking for that, this might be a pair you want to grab. Not sure if it's already been released to general public in terms of a general release, or if it's limited. I don't really know. I don't keep up with that with shoes like this that don't have super hype on them. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If there's anyone new to your channel and you like what you see, subscribe, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, and remember to follow my Instagram at RVStuffTV. Link is in the description as always. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for rocking with me. Hopefully y'all have a blessed day, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.